afternoon, Madam Nurse.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're fine. I'm also fine. Where from you?
I'm from school.
You're from school?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So today what did you learn in school?
We vacated yesterday.
Oh, you're on vacation?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Nice. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me. Come. What course do you read at school?
Can I do anything for you?
I just want to ask you some few questions.
Oh, okay.
So tell me, what course do you do at school?
Oh, I'm a science student.
Science student?
Yeah.
Well, that's nice of you. Give me a handshake. Thank you. Anyway, let me tell you something. Yes, I want to tell you something. Do you know something about human body? There is this thing that you need to do as a human, yeah? That will make you live long.
Long?
Yes.
That will make me live long.
Very good. And you know, in science, and as a science student, you need to know it before any other person.
Know it?
Yes.
Of course, I want to know because, you know, I'm a science student and I need to learn more.
Thank you. And you know, I'm also a nurse.
Yeah, you are a nurse.
I am a sexy nurse. You know it,
yeah,
right?
I see.
Yeah, so I'm going to teach you what you have to know.
I have to know?
Yes.
Oh, why not? Teach me. Teach me now.
Here is not too safe because you're in the house and you don't know who is watching. You don't know who is watching, so follow me. Yeah? Just follow me. I'm going to teach you something so special. You will love it.
Is it an ornamental plant? I know it already.
No, it is not called ornamental. It is called fundamental.
Fundamental?
Fundamental.
Wow. Then I need to know that fundamental.
I have to teach you.
Okay, teach me.
I can't hide it from you.
Okay.
Because I live in the same house with you. Okay? Yeah. So follow me, my neighbor.
Okay, madam. So,
I hope you're ready to learn.
Yeah, I'm ready to learn. Because,
sure?
You know, as for our school and our class, I always be the last batch one.
Are you serious?
Yes, so I want
Not
to be
again.
first.
This time around, you be the first. Trust me.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Just fill out. Follow me. Hurry up.
But is it far from?
Come, follow me. Oh. Yes.
There's nothing here.
I am going to teach you physically. So relax.
Physiology.
Yes.
So what is it? So what is that?
Do you know what this thing is used for?
What thing?
Do you know what this thing is used for? This.
You mean my uncle?
Exactly.
Oh, my uncle sometimes used for something less. But not what you are thinking.
It's not what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
No. That is why you are here. I'm here to teach you what it's used for. Because I'm sure you don't know. And it's going to be your first time. Yeah? So what we're going to do right now is...
But
that is why you are here. So
but I don't know how
my friend.
to do.
So right now, I'm ready.
So I should go.
Come. Yes, hurry up, push it. Yeah. Hey, you are sweet. Oh my God. Ouch.
It's my first time.
Do it.
My first time.
Push it inside.
My first time.
Push it.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes. Very sweet.
Anytime I see you and I do like this, the corner, then you follow me.
I will come.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Close the zipper.
I should close it. But please, madam, I want to do again.
You will do again?
Yes.
You will do again?
Yes.
No, in the evening.
In the evening.
Okay, let's go.
But
no, you go to your go to your place. Yes. When you see me pass, oh.
But please, don't tell anybody I love you.
No, I don't love you. I don't love you. When you see me pass, when I need you, I'll call you. Okay? Bye.
So I'm your machine gun.
Definitely.